Welcome, ladies, to Dining with a Purpose. We're so excited that you decided to take some time out of your day to participate in Dining with a Purpose and join forces with Women World Changers to make a difference in the world. We're in Nepal right now visiting a safe home that Women World Changers help to fund. And we're actually with one of the partners that our main partner, Angel House founder, Dominic Russo. So I'm going to turn it over to Dominic. And Dominic, you can share how Women World Changers and what our connection is.
It's kind of unbelievable to describe the feeling that we felt all day today to be physically in the safe house that Women World Changers rallied together to build. 15 girls will be given an entirely new life as a result of the unity and passion and generosity of you women who have come together and said, you know what, I'm going to look beyond our borders. I'm going to even look beyond my household. I'm going to be a woman that has a global vision and that's committed to changing the world. And here we are enjoying time with the Women World benefactors of that mission. And I'm just so excited about the future. I'm excited about looking at what this small group of women have done together. Imagine as this continues to expand and multiply, the untold thousands of lives that will continue to be changed across the world, not only here in Nepal, not only in India where you've built so many other orphanages in the past couple of years, but even across the world. And so we're just so excited. We invite you to join this movement and to be a part of the change that they're helping to bring across the world.
I just wanted to chime in as well, and I'm so honored to be here as a representative of what you've done. You know, when we serve a God that is not just geographical and about boundaries, and for you ladies to see that we are literally just a couple of miles away from one of the most human trafficked areas of the entire world is so profound. And if we can begin to see if this is just the beginning, I'm just blown away and so expectant of what God will do through your ministry. It is so powerful to see what you've done in India, in Nepal. These couple of countries will one day hold most of the people who live in the world and on the planet. So we are so excited, so honored to be a part of what you're doing. Thank you so much.
We really just appreciate and love you for being a part of this, and I would just challenge you to really go beyond yourself and to go to the point of even sacrifice, where you're willing to be one of those people that does something in the world that's bigger than yourself, bigger than your family, bigger than your surroundings, because you can make a ripple effect that will change the world. And that's our goal. And we're so excited for the partnership that we have. And I'll tell you, today's been a big blessing. It's been very tearful, a lot of emotions, but we see women that literally will change Nepal being birthed right here in this home. So it's happening, and you're a big part of it, and we want to do more. So please join us.
Thank you.
Thank you.